Welcome to Take Radio, and today we're going to do some POTA activations in South Carolina, Virginia, and maybe some Long Island ones. And along the way, we're going to see some awesome friends. And guess what? I finally get on HF again. Play that awesome intro video. Man, I haven't been on one of these things since, yeah, it's been that long, pre-COVID. I'm in the air! Whee! Alright, my house is on screen. Can you find it? Can you find it? Time's up. Back to time lapse. I don't know when they started this, but when you pull up on this lever, a phone and tablet tray pops out. This is amazing! I think they know I was a YouTuber. I don't know how they could tell. And we're on the ground! Touchdown! Woo! The bridge to the Outer Banks. We're almost there.
It's really pretty, that's for sure.
And here's the last push. Look at those sand dunes. I really wanted to roll down one of those. So here's our campsite all set up. Let's see what we can find in here. There is my orange and white tent, along with the satellite Arrow 2 antenna. And here's Jason's truck with 2 solar panels, the table that we're going to set up radios on, and his tent that pops out and hooks onto his truck somehow. That's pretty cool. I was lucky enough to be the co-pitmaster on this trip. Matt, AE4MQ, was the true pitmaster. We'll see more of that in a second. As I'm getting set up, let me tell you what I'm running. I have the Arrow 2 antenna running directly to 2 radios. One the bow thing, and the other one is my Anytone. This setup will be eliminating the duplexer, so I'll be able to hear when I'm transmitting if I'm making it into the satellite. Let's see if it works. Polarization.
Whiskey Echo 4, Delta X-Ray.
Whiskey Alpha 4 Delta X-Ray FM 25.
I didn't hear a transmit.
It did not.
You're not getting into it.
I'm not.
Which way it's going?
Up and to the east.
Go.
Kilo Golf 5 Alpha Hotel Juliet FM 25.
You actually were in there. I heard you. You were in that one. You just hit that satellite. I heard your voice in the other thing.
It doesn't count till I get a contact.
No, but you said you never gotten into one.
Cam, FM 34. 24, Italy, Zulu Echo. Papa 4, Charlie, 4 Kilo, 78.
Kilo Golf 5 Alpha Hotel Juliet.
Zulu Echo. 8. 83SU from Kilo 0 Juliet Mike at November 35.
Kilo Golf 5 Alpha Hotel Juliet. Yep, that's how I feel. Let's move on to something else. Oh, that is beautiful.
Hey, Frank.
Pitmaster's choice. That is delicious.
Yeah.
Salt and pepper.
Salt,
Good
pepper,
base on it.
Texas style salt, pepper, garlic, Frank. You take care of that. I put it back in, Frank.
Double wrapped it just in case.
Yeah, you're amazing. Oh, that's yours.
I want to share this with you, man. Woo, woo.
Now this is your rub, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I haven't tried this. This is Frank's special rub.
Could have gone a little heavier on it. Minus that.
It's really good.
It's awesome. Let's get this wrapped and back on.
Yeah, we need it by 9.
Like a Christmas present. That's that solid piece of foil. The other side had the wrap foil. No, it's double wrapped.
Here's your dog.
Oh my God! Guys, who was that? Oh, is that Mike? How'd he do that? Is that actually him operating? We just worked K and MRD on CW. Cool, man. That's pretty cool.
Did Emily happen to make those awesome marshmallows?
Yeah, I've got some. I was gonna break them out, but we don't have a campfire.
Oh.
No. Yeah, she asked me what she could make. She goes, I'm gonna make you some hot crackers. What's that? I was like, yes. Bourbon marshmallows, because we're gonna have campfires going.
That's going in my video.
Yeah.
November 5, Hotel Lima. Hold on one second.
Got it?
November 5, Hotel Lima. November 5, Hotel Lima. Please copy Park K0682.
USO, thanks for the phone. You're about a 5. Trevor Reese Jones, Scout Camp in East Texas, over.
Did I hear Scouts Camp in East Texas?
Roger, roger.
Awesome. Are you getting the Scouts on the air over there?
Well, I'm trying to. They're on doing some climbing activities right now. But I'm set up portable here back to the campsite, over.
That's pretty cool, man. My Valen effort.
In
7-3, thank you for the contact. This is Whiskey Elta 4 Delta X-Way, QRZ. I can need one slow. Alright, it's slow for contest standards. Come on, guys, give me a chance.
Okay, that's a lot better. November 5, X-ray, Tango Radio, Mobile.
November 5, Tango X-Ray. We are operating Park K0682. I read you about a 5-5.
Yeah, roger that. I've got you a 5 and 7, 57 down here in Oklahoma today.
Oklahoma, that rocks. Thank you very much for the contact. Oh my God, look at that pull off. That looks so good, and it was. You have my spicy rub on the right and Matt's salt and pepper on the left. CQ Poda, this is Whiskey Echo 4 Delta X-Ray. CQ Poda.
Whiskey 4, X-ray, Yankee Tango.
Whiskey 4 X-Ray Tango.
Whiskey 4, X-ray, Yankee Tango.
Whiskey 4 X-Ray Yankee Tango. Please copy Park Kilo 3860.
I'll take you at 5-9 into North Carolina, November, Charlie.
Roger, Roger. Thank you for the contact. This is Whiskey Echo 4 Delta X-Ray CQ POTA QRZ. QRZ, one more time. Kilo 9 station, please come. Kilo 9 Mike, Kilo Zulu.
Kilo 9, Mike, Kilo Echo, QSL? Kilo 9, Golf Lima, Sierra, George London Sugar.
Standby station. Park to park. Kilo 9 Mike, Kilo Echo.
QSL, I copy you about a 43, 40, Kilo 0642, QSL?
Give me the park identifier one more time.
Park Kilo 0642, QSL?
QSL, please copy Park Kilo 3860. Kilo 3860. QSL?
QSL, I copy 3860. How copy my signal?
5-5.
All right, a lot up and down. I think I copy a 5-5. Hey, appreciate the
Thank you very much. Station ending in Golf Lima Sierra, please.
Kilo 9 Golf Lima Sierra.
Kilo 9 Golf Lima Sierra, please copy Park Kilo 3860. We hear you out of 5-5, and no problem, and thank you for the contact. This is Whiskey Echo 4 Delta X-Ray. Whiskey 4 station.
Whiskey 4, Bravo, Tango, Whiskey.
Bravo Tango Whiskey. Whiskey 4 Bravo Tango Whiskey. Please copy Park Kilo 3860. I'll read you out of 5-9.
Roger, Roger, got you 5-9. On the other side of North Carolina.
Awesome, awesome. This is Whiskey 4 Delta X-Ray QRZ. The things I do for Jason behind the scenes. I'm going to have to wrap it up here. There is just too much content for one video. So this is part 1. Part 2 is going to come in 2 weeks, my normal regular schedule. But Wednesday, not this week, but next Wednesday, in the middle of my content release schedule, I'm going to put up all my contacts that I made in Saturday and Sunday where this video took place. So if I made a contact with you and you're wondering where it is, and if it was on film, it's going to be in this video. There's going to be another one after part 2 of the OBX trip, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Yes, somewhere around there. All those days will be in the next video. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching. See you next time.
You got this.
Yep. Woot! I get to mess with Jason's YouTube. Frank is awesome. Please check out his channel.